Bonnie, happy Sunday! Still not watching football. Apparently they do like pregame and stuff. I don't watch any football. Instead, we're going to talk about Boxycharm Face Box, which I find way more interesting. Although this was a really weird month. So check it out. Boxycharm Be My Glamantine. I got mostly skincare products in this one, which is odd because usually you get a nice mix of like skincare and makeup. So I got to look at my my survey thing that they give you. But I did get a makeup brush, so that was kind of cool. But I did, this is exciting, I did just re-up for Boxycharm Luxe. I'm currently waitlisted, but last time I was only on the wait list for like 3 days. So I'm hoping I get in for March. So Boxycharm base right now is $27.99. I always feel like it's worth it. The products are valued between $22 and $32 this month. Everything in between. So it's a good, you know, like over $100 worth of stuff. Even if I gift some of this stuff out, I feel like I'm getting a value. I have not gone so far as to get the premium, which is $39.99 a month. I'm going to stick with the Luxe right now. And like I said, hopefully I get that for March. It's an additional $32 to get the Luxe. So you pay the $27.99, then you pay the $32, and that month you don't get the base box, you just get the Luxe. So I'm hoping I get that for March. We'll see. It's a little late in the game. I don't know if they'll put me on, but we'll see. So this month looks like a Valentine's Day themed box. It really isn't. Like Valentine's Day in here. At least with Ipsy, we got the bag, which is kind of nice. But this is a nice one. So I got from Saturday Skin a Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. So that's the first thing I got. Let me see. Where is that one? Is this it? What the heck? I'm not even seeing this one. Is this it? Oh, here it is. Check this out. I like vitamin C creams. I tend to do well with them. I don't want to mess up my nails. I just put a second coat of nail polish on, by the way. This is the Essie. What is this? This is Light as Linen. I wanted just a light, nice shade. I haven't done my nails like all month with everything going on with my husband. I'm like, I don't care about my nails. So check this out. Little container here. And let me open this up. No scent, which is always nice. Oh, this feels nice too. I will use this. I will try this. I like trying, especially in the spring, a little bit of new skincare. I mean, I have my routines, but it's nice to add some stuff in. It's an eye cream. I will definitely use that. So that was exciting. That was a $32 value. That's the most expensive thing in the box. Next up, we have the OPV Beauty. Oh, I did get a loose setting powder. Okay. I thought this was a beauty product. I'm like, I don't even know what the heck this is. Let me get my Harry Potter letter opener here to open this one up. Oh, I'm glad I got a setting powder. That's always nice. I actually need to experiment with some new foundation products for spring. This is a loose translucent setting powder. Let's see this. You can't really see anything on here. This is just washed out with my lights, but I will try this. This is always fun to try a new powder. This one says perfect for setting your foundation or wearing alone. Sometimes I like them because it gives you like that matte look, which is nice. I do tend to have oily skin, even though I'm 52 years old, which is kind of interesting. Okay, next up, we got the Clara's New York Stimulating Retinol Facial Serum. I tend not to use the retinol facial serums. I don't know why. They don't always agree with me, so I will gift this off. I'm not even going to open it. This is a $24.99 value, so that I will give to someone. Next up, we have the Alley-Oop Multitask 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. This thing is huge. I'm like, what the heck is this thing? It's vegan, latex-free, cruelty-free. I hope brush can be cruelty-free, but we'll go with that. I'm just going to rip the box here. I can't open this. There we go. Okay. Pulling this one out. Oh, wow. A huge brush. Okay. It's a 4-in-1. Check this out. Oh! So it's basically, oh, this is interesting. I don't know if I like this, you guys. It's like a makeup sponge on the end of a brush, but how the heck do you wash this thing? It's including a sponge, a brush, a brow eyeshadow. Check it out. It pulls apart. This seems like something like out of, look, it pulls apart here too. This is like a out of Star Trek. You know what? I kind of just like my brushes that this is too much work. And I don't like that this is like something that you'd want to wash out all the time. I don't know. I guess if you're traveling, it's not bad. This is actually a $28 value. I'll use it. I mean, but I'll probably use it until I don't want to use it anymore, and then I'll toss it because of the sponge. But it's kind of interesting. I've never seen anything like that before. And then we have, ooh, pineapple lip scrub, $23 value from Bali Balm. I like a good lip scrub. Let me see what this one looks like. Not bad. Smells pretty good. I'll probably try this. I like a good lip scrub. I can't get it out. Lip scrub! So, my favorite pieces in here, I'm really liking the Vitamin C Eye Cream and the Translucent Setting Powder. I don't know about the brush. I'll gift off the serum. Not my favorite box this month, but not my least favorite box. We get a lot of decent stuff. If you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will put my referral code below. It's fun to get Boxycharm in the spring. I enjoy it. I usually stop and start Boxycharm a lot during the year. Like I said, I do get I get Ipsy for free every month through the Open Studios program, but I like to, I pay for Boxycharm just to see what they give you every month. So anyway, we'll see what next month brings. Hopefully I get the Luxe box. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.